powerful hailstorm struck the Riviera Romagnola this afternoon, August 2nd, between the provinces of Rimini and Forlì-Cesena. Golf ball-sized hailstorms caused damage in several areas. Videos of today's hailstorm in Bellaria Igea Marina are shocking, with people rushing to escape from the hailstones, which looked like real projectiles falling from the sky onto the sand and water. The hailstorm originated from a storm cell that formed on Saturday afternoon, August 2nd, between inland Cesena and the northern area of Rimini, bringing heavy rain and thunderstorms to the region. The hailstorm struck the coast between Bellaria and Igea Marina, where the beaches were covered in white snow. The hailstorm lasted for about 10 minutes, but in some areas it was severe enough to cause damage, particularly to the agricultural sector. "It looks like a rock. It could crack your head open," some locals said on social media, posting photos of walnut-sized hailstones. A yellow weather warning for thunderstorms is in effect across the region, with a severe forecast, with a risk of hail and strong winds along the Emilia-Romagna coast. The violent thunderstorm first struck the plains of the province of Ferrara and the Apennine Mountains in the province of Parma, then moved towards the provinces of Ravenna, Forlì-Cesena, and Rimini. In addition to hail damage, strong winds also caused trees to fall in the Ferrara region. The storm then moved rapidly south, and is expected to hit central Italy in the coming hours and throughout Sunday. The Civil Protection Department has issued a yellow weather warning for thunderstorms in 7 central regions for tomorrow, August 3rd. Severe thunderstorms have been reported in the plains of the province of Ferrara, near the Po River, and are moving from Tuscany towards the provinces of Ravenna, Forlì-Cesena, and Rimini, as well as in the Alps. Apennines in the province of Parma. Accompanying the heavy rain were hail and strong gusts of wind. In the province of Ferrara, a powerful storm caused a tree to fall, blocking the road between Migliaro and Massa Fiscalia. Another tree fell onto the road in Porto Maggiore, on Via Travaglio. In total, firefighters responded to around 30 calls, including in Caparro and Cadagoro. On the border between Ferrara and Rovigo, some problems occurred after a water bomb hit the Polsine River, causing trees to fall and flooding. And in the Po Delta, between Rosalina Mare, Albarella, and Bacasset, a whirlpool was observed, which fortunately subsided before reaching land. In Romagna, thunderstorms accompanied by hail particularly affected the beaches in the areas of Lido Adriano, Punta Marina, Pinarella, Bellaria Igea Marina, and San Mauro Mare. Severe weather is expected on Monday in parts of Veneto, while warnings are in effect. A yellow warning has been issued in Ferrara, with disruptions in the municipality of Fiscalia. Severe weather has hit the Polsine region. At around 12:30 p.m., heavy rain fell, causing disruptions and requiring numerous firefighters. Reports of fallen trees were received in Badia Polsine on Via Sei Giovanelli. In Trecenta, 2 trees fell on the road from Trecenta to Badia Polsine on Via Argin Destro Canale. Most recently, a tree fell on the prestigious and popular Villa Marioni in Lendinara. Flooding was reported in Rovigo on Via Antonio Villa, on a house in Ater, in Villados, and in Serignano. Severe thunderstorms have caused disruptions on State Highway 495. A tree fell on the section of road between Migliaro and Massa Fiscalia, which crosses the road. Local police and firefighters from Catagoro are working to free it. Via Travaglio was temporarily closed due to a fallen tree. Firefighters from Porto Maggiore were also on the scene.